How's it going, everybody? I hope you're doing well. Long time no see, through one thing and another, but I'm back and I've got a great recipe to show you today. And it's a Bulgarian dish, a traditional Bulgarian dish called Banitsa. Now, there's variations of Banitsa. This variation I enjoy thoroughly. So tasty, so simple to do. So let's get into it. What will you need? So first of all, I've got some phyllo pastry there. I've got 2 lots. You might just need the one, but this is going to be feeding about 4 people in a pot so big. Okay, next I've got some Greek yogurt, some cream cheese, got 2 there, 3 eggs, some chicken, of which I will boil up before it goes into the main ingredients, some finely chopped spring onion, some grated cheese, and a little bit of oil. And that's it. That is all you need. So simple, so tasty. So, as always, let's get into it. Okay, so whilst the chicken is boiling, we'll get to the next stage. As you can see, I've put the 3 eggs into my trusty bowl. Next I'm going to add the yogurt. Just going to put that in. Now you can add a little bit of pepper if you want. It is totally up to you. Now Banitsa is basically a cheese and onion pie, but there are variations, as I said, and this one is chicken and onion. So make sure I get my money's worth out of it and empty it all out as best as I can. There we go. Lovely. Next I'm going to add the cream cheese. Now traditionally they use feta. Now I'm not a fantastic fan of strong cheese, so hence me using this, which works equally as good, if not better. Dare I say that? Yeah, why not? So that goes in as well, along with the other one. Fantastic. Now, as I said, you can put a little bit of pepper in there if you want to. It is totally up to you, don't worry about it. So I'm going to mix that all up, then we'll get on to the next stage. So I shall catch you within a blink of an eye. And there you go, all mixed up, looking lovely and smelling really good. Considering its basic ingredients, everything comes together, smells really tasty. Right then, next, get your phyllo pastry. And this is the easy bit. Well, it's all easy really. All you need to do is just get a little bit. You know how this is really fragile? Don't worry about it. So you're just going to put your phyllo pastry around your bowl like so. And one in the middle. Like that. Get your onion. Sprinkle a little bit of onion around there. And get your mixture. Now you can either pour it in or you can ladle it in. But before you do that, just get a little bit of oil and just go over the top of that pastry. Nothing major, but just a little bit here and there, like so. Okay, I'm going to use my trusty ladle and I'll get some of that mixture and just pour it over the pastry. like that, and a bit more. Fantastic. Okay, and we're going to do it exactly the same again. So get your pastry and pop it on like this. Talk amongst yourselves, by the way, talk amongst yourselves. Oh, I was going to say I ripped that one then, but it really doesn't matter. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. Give that a little press down. And the same again with the oil. Just a little bit here and there. Okie dokie. The onion. Now, this is when I'm going to get the boiled chicken and put the chicken on. So pop that on there, like that. Fantastic. Get some more onion. Just finish that off. Okay, now you're going to create your top layer, and as you do that, just push it down slightly. Perfect. Perfect. And get the rest of your mixture, depending on how large you're going to do this dish and what size bowl you're using, of course. And just pour that round, and then we're going to finish off with our grated cheese. Cheese, and just put that over the top. Now this is going to go in the oven at 170 for about 40 minutes, and that is that. Yeah, how about that? How easy is that? But it's extremely tasty. So I'm going to put that in the oven, and I'll get back to you within a blink of an eye. Okay, so when it's been in the oven, boom, there you go, nicely browned off. So let's serve it, shall we? Now there's no finesse with this, as always. This is the nature of the beast with this dish. And it very much reminds you of a lasagna. So let's just cut down there, cut down there, and let's just take a slice out and put it on the plate. Smells absolutely gorgeous, really, really good. So here we go. Wow, check that out. Let's pop that on the plate like so, and there you have it. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. Smells So good. And there you have it, Banitsa. Easy to do, extremely tasty. Give it a go, you'll love it. I'll catch you later, folks.